Hello everyone, greetings from HomeFirst. As you know, HomeFirst customer portal is live for Android users. You can download or update the latest version from Google Play Store. The link is available in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for our latest updates. Today, we are going to educate you about one of the features of our app in which you can see your home loan account statement anytime. Also, you will be able to see principal and interest breakup for your cleared EMI. So let's start with the demo. If you have already registered, click on Customer Portal Login. If not, please check the video on how to register on the portal. The link is available in the description box. After you log in, you can see the dashboard with all your active loan details. Now click on More option. Tap on Mini Statement, then choose any of the account you wish to check. If you click on 1 year tab, you will be able to see latest payment of 12 months, that is 1 year. If you want to see statement of particular period, the custom feature is best for you. You can edit dates as per the requirements. Left tab indicates start date and right tab indicates end date. For example, here I am changing start date as 1st Feb 2019 and end date as 25th August 2022. If I click on search, I'll be able to see all the entries between these dates. Once you see required statement entries, you will have to click on any transaction tab. Here you will be able to see loan account number, loan type, clearance date, transaction amount, principal and interest breakup, and mode of payments. Please note that the transaction amount is always the sum of principal amount and interest amount. So this is how you will be able to see your mini account statement as well as principal and interest breakup for any cleared payment. We have tried to give you all the information about these features. If you have any queries regarding this, then please drop the comment below. Please share the videos with other HomeFirst customer portal users and make them familiar with the features available. Thank you.